By the end of this video, you will be able to add drum kits to the projects that you're working on in FL Studio. Let's get started. So you may have recently downloaded a drum kit and you want to go ahead and put that into your FL Studio projects so you can use it. So I've got one here that I recently downloaded on my desktop. What I need to do is first unzip the file folder. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on that, and then I'm going to click on Extract All. So this used to be called unzipping, now it's called extracting. It will bring up this dialog box, and then I'm going to left click on extract. And I had the option clicked for it to show the file folder when it was finished. So here we have it now. So it's on my desktop, and if I click in there, you can see it's got the different sounds that I'm looking to put into my drum kit for FL Studio. So the easiest way to do this is to go ahead to FL Studio. What you're going to want to do is go up to the left-hand side of your screen, left click on Options, and you're going to click on File Settings. So once you've clicked on File Settings, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this file folder right here. And once I left click on that, it's going to ask me what I'd like to bring into my project. So I'm going to go ahead and find that on my desktop. It was the Metro Drum Kit. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Select Folder. Once I click on this, it will bring it into the folder here. So you also notice on the left-hand side of your screen in the browser, it brought up the drum kit here. So now I can left click on that, and I can keep clicking. And now I can see all the different drum sounds that have been brought into my FL Studio workflow. So this is just one tutorial, but think about how much better your tracks could be with the right tools. I've created the FL Studio Pro Producer Pack, a free resource filled with the best sample sources, plugins, and templates to help you level up your music production game. And the best part is, I'm regularly updating it with even more tools like FL Studio presets, automation guides, and more. So click the link in the description to grab it for free. If you have a lot of different drum kits that you're working with, you'll notice if I keep doing this, it's going to keep adding these drum kits, and it might be not the best workflow. So in order to work around this, or to make it so it's easier to work with, what you're going to want to do is create a folder, maybe somewhere on your computer, or one of the best places to be would be to create an entirely new folder and just name it something like FL Studio Kits. And what I'm going to do is now all of my FL Studio drum kits, I'm going to go ahead and put that into this folder. So what I'll do is I'll drag in the extracted files of the kit that I want to put in there. And now I can just place other kits in here too. So all my kits will be in one place. And then what I'll do is I'll go through the process we went through before, where FL Studio will go up to the left-hand side of the screen, press on Options, and then you're going to click on File Settings. And then now what we'll do is we'll click a new folder here, and I'm going to go to my desktop where I have that FL Studio Kits. Left click on that, select folder, and so now FL Studio Kits will be brought in. And you can see it's on the left hand side of my screen. And now I can place all of my kits into that folder on my desktop, and then they'll all show up here whenever I want to use them. If you would like to clear any folders on your FL Studio projects, then what you want to do is come to the settings again, files and folders that I'm in, and then left click on this area here, and then just press on clear, and that will clear it from your folders. And so once I X out of that, you can see it was cleared from my folders. If you made it this far into the video, you most likely also want to get the most out of automation clips using FL Studio. I have another video that covers this. I'll put a link to that video here.